Hello and welcome to Ride with T, another glorious blue sky day in United Kingdom, Cornwall, North Coast, Atlantic Ocean. And we're heading to Bude. It's Bude Bike Night tonight, and we've just done a lovely travel from Boscastle, Tintagel, Crackington Haven to Widmouth Bay to Bude. Fantastic route, especially on a motorbike, especially on a vintage classic motorbike like this, the Royal Enfield Bullet 500. So I can't believe the weather we're having. We've travelled from Thailand, we've been in UK now for 6 weeks, and just about every day that we've had has been like this. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. So I'm so glad I bought Hector. It's been a welcome addition to the family, but however, in 2 or 3 weeks time, he's going to have to be sold. So I'm looking at selling Hector around £2,200. If any of you are interested, send me a message. Okay. Wow, Mrs. T has got a new helmet and a new jacket. Wow. And your new gloves, which we bought from CMS Motorcycles, right? But yeah, look at that. Ready for our first trip on a motorbike in England. We've never done this before, right? Never. No. Okay. We're going to park over here. Oh, that's a really good looking bike, I think. What a cracker. Right, so this is unusual. How would you pronounce it? Mival?
Mival.
Mival, which is obviously Italian, looking at the badge on the front. So, have you restored it?
No. I purchased that from Italy.
You've purchased it from Italy as it is? Wow. Right, I'm going to interview you now. Can you tell me the year of your bike, please?
1957.
1957, and you bought it like that from Italy?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. And what are the import taxes like bringing bikes into England?
Well, you can get away with it, yeah.
You can?
You have to pay, but it's not excessive because it's tax exempt.
Yeah? Oh so yeah, of course, yeah.
Because of the year of the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is because of the CC as well, it's not too big, the 125cc.
Lovely.
Yeah, but it's nice condition and it's usable.
It's beautiful, really beautiful bike, yeah. It really is.
Yeah. There's a little nameplate here.
Ah, all the information's there, I see. Yeah. Okay.
I do watch a little bit of YouTube actually.
You do? Yeah. Okay, well you have to watch this channel, Ride with T.
I can see that, yeah.
Okay.
T, yeah.
I'm T.
I'm Roger.
You're Roger, okay Roger, thank you. 1962 BSA
Gold Flash.
Gold Flash. What do you think of the modern day Gold Stars?
I haven't really seen one.
You haven't seen one? No, okay. But you like this? You like the retro look?
No, just to don't kill myself. You only do 60 mile an hour.
That's fast enough, right?
Yeah.
That's all I do on this one. That's mine there, the Royal Enfield, look.
Yeah.
So
Nice, isn't it? You don't have to be too fast.
I do 60 on that, and that's the maximum as well, really.
Yeah. But
So
you've got modern tyres on yours, huh?
yeah, we've got Avons on there. Yeah. So it's a modern bike. It's only 2012 actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it's for sale.
Is it?
No import tax.
Good luck with that one. For sale.
So yeah, it was. Yeah, no, it was.
Look at that. That's the first time I think I've ever seen a Can-Am up close, to be honest with you.
All right.
So
There's about 6 in North Devon,
6 in North Devon.
right around the Barsham area.
I see there's another one over there, or it's not? Yeah, there
that's
is.
a different model, but
Different model.
still Can-Am, yeah.
So how long have you owned this, sir?
I've had this one, this is the 3rd year from brand new. I had one before that, done about 40,000 miles on it. So
Wow.
got another one,
Yep,
a smaller one,
yep.
which was a Riker. Went like off a shovel,
Yep.
and but it wasn't very comfortable.
Okay.
It was a hard ride, so I got rid of that one and
This one's good for you.
got this one, yeah.
Yeah,
Well, this is the same as the first one I had.
I got you. So do you have to import this from America, or they have
No,
sales in
there
here?
There was a garage locally from Barnstable
Yeah.
on the way to Ilfracombe. They were agents, but they've CC agency now because Can-Am was trying to push too much onto them, you know, to sell, but they could. They're not
Yeah.
in an area where they could do it.
It's a very niche market, isn't it? It
No,
is.
So they're still doing a few odd repairs.
Yep,
Yeah,
yep.
they'll fit tyres and all that. Keep tyres and everything for them.
Yeah, smashing. So what kind of CC is this?
1330,
1330. And what's
three cylinder.
3-cylinder? Lovely. Very lovely. And no slippy in the wet. It'll keep a little bit.
Little bit, but you've got to be pushing it.
Yeah.
It's pretty good on corners.
Okay.
In fact, very good.
Okay.
Because you've got a safety system. If you go round a roundabout or a sharp corner
Yep.
too fast and front wheel comes up, the
Oh.
engine will die.
Yeah.
So he automatically
Comes down.
you come back to earth again. Yeah.
Lovely.
It's,
And what
it's a
kind
nice
of
bit of kit.
what kind of mileage you getting on that for miles per gallon? Would you
About 40.
40 miles per gallon?
Yeah, about. Yeah, I mean that's average anyway.
Absolutely beautiful. Thank you.
Okay.
Look, there's my version.
So I'm being told that this is a very special Triumph. I forget what it's called. What is it called?
It's a Triumph Bobber, Triumph Factory Custom.
Factory custom. Okay, tell me about it. You keep talking. I'm going to come and film it. You keep telling me about it.
750 made worldwide, only
Yeah.
30 staying in Britain.
Okay.
This one's standard as they come, other than the change of the seat. It's a lot more comfortable what it comes with.
Yep, I've got you.
Hand painted, carbon fibre, Brembo brakes.
Brembo brakes, yes.
Yeah, Brembo brakes. Krakovic exhausts, full all-in suspension.
So you say only 750 in the world?
750 in the world. They're numbered on, each one's numbered on the top.
Ah, okay. So this is
271 and 750.
271 and 750. Amazing, amazing. And handlebars are standard like that?
No,
No, you've put them on.
A normal one's just got a straight bar.
Yes.
And
So this comes with the custom.
Yeah, this is how they come from Triumph.
Amazing.
The only thing that's been changed on this is the seat. It comes with a plain black leather seat normally.
What does TFC stand for?
Triumph Factory Custom.
Okay. Because my initials are TFD, so it's nearly there. It's nearly mine. Okay. Smashing. Yes. Yes, I'm hoping to ride one of these soon, actually.
The Bobber's great bike to ride.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one differs from the normal one because the normal one's got a.
But you
fat
can't
front
take
tyre
the wife on the back. That's the problem.
You can get twin two-seat.
Yeah, I've seen one. Yeah. You just bolt on the back, right?
Yeah, but I think the passenger is sitting a long way back then.
Got you. Lots more bikes rolling in. It's very popular. So what's really amazing is there's lots of Can-Ams here today. So I've never seen them before because they're not. We come from Thailand and we just don't have them.
No.
And I did ask you off camera what the attraction was. So what is the attraction to a Can-Am?
You can ride this one on a car licence rather than a motorbike licence.
You can ride it on a car licence, not a motorbike licence. You don't need a motorbike licence.
It's very simple. It's twist and go like a big scooter, and you've got a foot brake, links all the brakes together.
I've never even thought of that, to be honest with you. So tell me the specs. It's a 900cc?
900cc, 3-cylinder Rotax engine.
Okay.
Roughly 78 brake horsepower.
78, wow, okay. And I would have thought that this would have cost about £30,000, just guessing how motorbikes go. And I take it this was cheaper than your bobber.
This one was 15. The bobber was about 17 and a half.
Okay.
But a normal bobber is 12, but that one could be
special.
Got a bit extra on it.
And I take it you're never going to sell that?
No.
No.
No, when it comes, I should get a second bike now and not put too many miles on that one.
Cool. Smashing. Really nice to see. So thank you so much for speaking with me today. Well, there's another Royal Enfield.
In black and white.
Black and white.
It's a nice colour, actually.
It's okay, right?
Yeah, it's a nice colour.
Lots of red ones here. Ducati, yeah. Nice. So one thing that's been pointed out is that in England it's a HNTR, not a Hunter. Whereas in Thailand it actually says Hunter. So I don't know the reasoning for that.
I think it might be a copyright thing. You've got the Lex Moto Hunter, which has been over here a while.
Okay.
But I don't know if the patents have expired for the Hillman Hunter and the Aerial Hunter.
Ah.
So there's three about.
There's three about. So I just don't know if you can trademark the name Hunter. It's an actual word in the English dictionary, so I don't know, but I suppose so.
No.
So obviously Mrs. T's got a Hunter in Thailand,
Yeah,
and you've got your Hunter here.
Got taste. Good taste.
Good taste, yes, that's right. So you've got some pads on the side. Where did you get those from?
Either Amazon or eBay.
eBay, yeah, okay.
Because this has got Pure and Ride written on the side, but in real big letters, and it just didn't. Like for a young trendy person, but for an old twat, like you just look like a pretender. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, so it had Pure Ride, yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't seen that. This is one thing I'm considering putting on your bike, Mrs. T, the screen, actually. You don't like that? No? Okay.
Keep me looking 20s.
Keep you looking 20, okay. Yeah, so how many miles per gallon do you get out of this, do you reckon?
Take it easy, up to about 85.
85, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
My other Hunter, I've upped the gearing on it. Well, my mate did, but bigger sprocket on the front.
Yes, yes.
And that gives me 95 to a gallon.
Yeah, pure, yeah. So that's a common mod, is to put an extra tooth on the front.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, it pays. It's more relaxed. This isn't a buzzy engine,
Yeah.
but when you've upped the gearing on the other one, it's a bit longer leg, it does feel like you could do with another gear.
Yes.
But there's nothing wrong with it.
I'm going to give you some exclusive news here.
Right,
You're going to be the first person in England to ever know about this.
right,
My friend, who owns a company in Canada,
yeah.
he's just made a belt drive system for the Hunter. And not only that, he's given you two options, standard gearing and taller ratio, which will match the front.
Yes.
So no more oiling chains, no more adjusting chains,
Yeah, it's nice.
just get on and ride.
Yeah.
And it'll
yeah.
the belt will last for 150,000 miles.
Will it really?
Yep.
How much will they cost about?
I'm not sure. I'm going to guess about £350, something like that. When you work out how much you're going to pay for a chain and sprockets to be changed every couple of years, you know.
Yeah, but there's the inconvenience of it as well. The
Yes.
maintenance all the
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
You get to a certain age and you think, because I had shaft drive and I had belt drive, and then I bought a Thruxton.
Okay.
Went back to chain drive, and I'd forgotten all about the nightmare of keeping the chain adjusted, and if you've gone out in the rain, get the spray out again, like, and all kinds of stuff like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But unfortunately, the bikes I like, they just come with chains, I'm
Yeah.
afraid, so...
But not anymore. You have got an option very soon. Hitchcock's Motorcycles will be selling them.
They will?
Yeah. Yep.
I'm alright actually, I'll get a lot of stuff from Hitchcock's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Well, they test their gear as well, don't
Yeah,
they,
yeah.
before they sell it?
Yeah.
So you...
Cheers, Mrs. T. That was a very good evening, wasn't it? And a very good day. What a beautiful day we had riding along the coast today, the north coast of Cornwall. Absolutely spectacular. Bike nights are a brilliant way to connect with like-minded people who share a real passion for motorcycles. The one in Bude, Cornwall, is no exception. It happens every Wednesday evening on the wharf, and it brings together an amazing community of riders and some truly rare bikes. If you're local or passing through, it's well worth a visit. Have you been to a bike night like this, or do you have one in your area? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about the bikes, the people and the atmosphere where you ride. If you enjoyed the ride and meeting the community, give this video a like, it really helps the channel grow. And if you're into motorcycle adventures, reviews and great riding stories, hit subscribe and join the journey. If you'd like to see more of our ride along the North Cornish coast with stunning scenery and a bit of local history, then the next video is a must watch.